Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
And we are back to keep you updated with the world of tech.
And you are watching EnigmaTech Sundays.
So first up we have Wavy developed a multilingual chat box to improve CX in LATAM.
Where we introduced the platform with advanced conversational artificial intelligence features. The service will allow the customer to create, test and place the chatbot in product environment. So each brand can carry out the management practically and independently. US Army trials augmented reality goggles for dogs.
The US Army show off augmented reality goggles for combat dogs designed to let them receive orders at a distance. The technology, made by a firm called Command Sight, is managed by the US Army Research Laboratory. Xbox game streaming heading to iPhone.
Microsoft is planning to bring its Xbox game streaming service to iPhone next year. Despite Apple over the app, Microsoft employees has been told that browser-based solution is planned for next year, according to the reports in both Business Insider and The Verge. AI assists NASA to spot craters on Mars.
Scientists identified craters made by pieces of a meteor on the red planet. The largest of the craters is about 13 feet wide, and in total, the craters span about 100 feet of the planet's surface. Last week, NASA said it spotted previously unknown craters on Mars with the help of artificial intelligence for the first time. The Babra Project, transforming food byproducts into useful raw materials using 3D printing.
The project focuses on development of new material from the waste product, which then can be used for a wide range of different uses. For example, food-based and agriculture byproducts can be used to purify pigments and fragrances. Dutch startup to try global IoT satellite services.
Following the launch of its first 2 nanosatellites into the stratosphere in late 2018, Dutch startup Hyber is excited to announce that its connected tech network, bringing low power and low cost connectivity to remote and developing areas for the first time ever, is now live. New technique makes it cheaper and faster to analyze precious Antarctic micrometeorites.
A micrometeorite is such a particle that survives passage through Earth's atmosphere and reaches the Earth's surface. The researchers had attached a Gandolfini system to X-ray diffractometer that had been recently delivered to National Institute of Polar Research and tested their setup on a very small rock sample. Analyzing the composition of this type of cosmic dust can potentially reveal many secrets of the evolution of our solar system. ESA exposed a 160-million-year-old discovery hiding beneath the ice.
The European Space Agency's GOCE satellite exposed 160-million-year-old discovery hiding beneath the ice after scanning the Earth from space. A new map of mountains, valleys, and canyons hidden under the Antarctica's ice has revealed the deepest land on Earth and will forecast further ice loss. Telstra 5G coverage hits 41% milestone.
Telstra has revealed it now that it has 5G capability to leave more than 2,000 cities, covering more than 41% of Australia's population. It is working to grow 5G footprints to reach 75% of country by June 2021.
That's all for this Sunday, guys. See you next week.
Stay tuned.